Hey, Sam Backer here and welcome to Video Leadbox. Now today I want to show you a demonstration of how this software works. So first of all, we add a new leadbox. Now in this leadbox session you'll see a number of different features, a number of different parts of this leadbox. Now this is the settings tab. This is the first step of the whole process, and I'm going to take you through the entire process of actually creating a leadbox, which I'll be showing you on this page right here. When you try and leave, you'll probably see this leadbox here today. So first of all, go down below, check out all the bonuses before you do that. There is an early bird special for this, so make sure you're qualified or in for that early bird special, and there's all the details are down below. Okay, so we're going to set up a new lead box and we're going to call this Video Lead Box. Now we're going to select from our different screen positions, so we'll choose in the center for this particular one. We're going to choose on page or exit intent, so basically when you go to scroll out, when you actually go to the close part of this, it will show this lead box, and I'm going to make it show after 30 seconds. Now I can show on all pages, or I can say no, I want it on a specific page. In this case it's going to be video social postmanager.com/video lead box. Put a slash in the end, and then we will say save. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and choose a template. Now there's a range of different templates here. They're all really customizable, really easy to use. So let's go ahead and actually jump in and try this out. So first of all, we're going to choose from one of our templates. Now there's a range of different templates you can choose here. We can choose this one, we can choose this one, this one, this one. You can go down below, you can see a different range of templates that are down here to select as well. Let's choose one not with an opt-in, even though I think an opt-in is the most important thing when it comes to these. If you're looking to make or generate more money, generate more leads. Leads are the easiest way to start generating more money. And if you want to start capturing leads, the best way that you can do that is with basically a lead box that has a opt-in on it. Let's just choose a button today. I'm going to choose a button one to show you, but you'll be able to play around with this. It works with all the different autoresponders, so you can actually customize it as you want to work with that. Now let's choose an offline theme today. I'm going to choose a home repair button, and I'm going to customize this into one that will work with our page today. So first of all, I'm going to edit the headline. And before I get onto that, I want to explain a few things. These are the different components. Text, you can adjust or add headlines by dragging it in, lists, paragraphs, icons, media, images, YouTube videos, video embed codes, and so on. Forms, different forms you can add in as well. Social widgets, you can add in different social widgets, buttons, pay buttons, marketing books. These are really cool because you can add one of these marketing books in like this, and you can then customize it as you want, and it looks really quite cool. So you can actually add whatever image you want to the screen. So I could grab an image from my images and add it, and I'll do that in a bit. Geolocation, we can choose how to basically greet people from a certain type of country. We can add different steps in here. We can add in timer buttons, countdown timers, timers really effective. Let's add one of those as well that I can show you how it works. We'll add a timer bar in. Now I'm just going to make this work so it has this timer bar here, and we can customize the color of this, and I'll do that in a bit. Cool. So this is our lead box that's being created. Now we first of all need to edit this headline, and it's really easy to do that. Check out lead box here. Below. We'll just put below. Cool. And now we can change the background if we want. I don't really like this background very much, so let's just change that. We click cross, we click the X here. To delete the background image. Then we can choose from a range of backgrounds that the software has, or we could create our own custom background. If you wanted to create your own, you would upload your image and you would add your URL here. To show you today, what I'll do is I'll actually select from one of the ones that I really like of these backgrounds, which is this particular one right here. Now we've added that. Let's make sure that our text can be seen. We'll edit that. We just need to highlight it so it does actually do what I want it to. So we'll highlight this, we'll make it white, text is white now, perfect, it stands out. Cool. Now what we can do, and I'm just going to quickly go and just cross off this. Cool. Now what we can do is we can choose a video that we want to put here. Now what I want to do, instead of showing you the different embed settings that you can do here, I'll actually add some media to show you how easy it is to add a new YouTube video. So if you're starting off a blank canvas or anything like that, this is really useful because it's just simply a matter of drag and drop. And I really like it how easy it is to customize it to fit as you want as well. We'll just drag it down slightly more. There we are. Perfect fit. Now let's customize our image here. So we can actually add our own images into this particular computer screen. We could actually add a video Videobox1 if we wanted to. It just gives you a bunch of images to use. Now I'm just going to use this one for this demonstration today, and you'll see that image right here. So if it was a fitness product, that would obviously fit. What I'd be doing is if I was using this for an active campaign, I'd actually go out and I'd find an image that would work and I'd plug it in that fitted the campaign I was running. Let's customize our timer. We'll choose the text color to be white so it stands out. We've got our image added now, we've got our video added, we'll just slide this across a bit, and we have our Learn More button now. Let's customize the text on this Learn More button. To customize the text, once again, we just copy or double click, and we can say get access now. We can customize the color. White doesn't really stand out that well on a yellow background, so let's make this black. There we are, we've done that. And now we just need to choose where this button will go. So URL when clicked, videoleadbox.com. Cool. Now from there, we've completed our lead box. Then it gets exciting. Then it gets kind of cool. I really like this because then you can actually customize the animations that your lead box has. You can have an entrance animation, so it flashes when it enters. You can have a rubber band or shake. You can customize these to have different animations attached to them. And this is really cool. You may have seen this in Engagify and even Lead Monster as well, which were both really cool pieces of software, and this has now done it as well. So animation, once again, we'll do a creative one like rubber band, and then we can actually preview these animations. First, before I do that, I'm just going to save it, so make sure we've got a copy of this. And now we're going to preview it in desktop, and you can actually preview it in tablet and mobile as well. There it is. So it's kind of impossible to miss this when you're actually looking at your lead box. It's impossible to miss this. Now, there's one thing that I forgot that we didn't do. To add a video, you just add a YouTube video URL into here, and then it's added your YouTube URL. If you wanted to add an opt-in, you can do that as well. You drag in this opt-in form here, and it would work with all the different autoresponders. Alright, so that's Leadbox. This will now work above your site. It'll pop up as you want it to, and let me just show you a quick demonstration of how it looks finished and popping up over my website. Okay, so here is the final result. Now I went away and I had a bit of an edit, a bit of a play around with this software to make sure that I had it looking really right. It took about 5 to 10 minutes, and this is what it looks like right now. So if you want to be able to do this in your business, go down below, make sure that you follow the instructions down below, get access to all of the special bonuses. This is Sam Backer. Thanks for listening. I'll see you later.